Alrighty then, I'm gonna need y'all's help. Strawberry or watermelon vibes. Two different cups for two different colors. As I was pouring the second cup, I ended up finishing it off. My first ever purchase of Plastisol from Lua Works. What a bittersweet moment this was. I can't recommend this brand enough. Awesome Plastisol. Red color for the top going in. Stir it up. Green color for the bottom. Stir it up. Black flakes in the red and green flakes in the green. Stir it all up nice. Put it into the injector and shoot your molds. I was shooting 4 molds today. Here's the stick bait. Laminate looks great. Rage crawl. The bandito bug turned out awesome. And the lizard turned out sweet as well. Here's a shot of all the lures I made with this color. I think it all turned out freaking awesome. So let's get to work. Half a cup for the tail. Blue color going in, 5 drops, as I've learned. Less is more. Neat little trick here. I wasn't dark enough, so I'm gonna add 5 more drops. This is the darkness I was looking for. Black flakes going in, stir it up, and shoot the mold. Always make sure to top it off. This is how it turned out. Beautiful. You only need the tails, so cut them off with the sharpest scissors you got. In this case, my daughter's. Now it's time for the main body. 1.5 cups. While that's getting new, put your tails back in the mold. Rub it down for some love. Black color going in. Stir it up. 1 scoop. 2 scoops of blue flakes. Stir it up and shoot your mold. As always, if your color gets featured on the short, I want to send you a free pack. What color should I do next? Ladies and gents, boys and girls, we got a great one for you today. New color and a new mold. The crack and crawl. This thing looks unreal. Add our drops of kiwi color from Dead On Plastics. Stir it up. This thing looks awesome. The way the light hits it, you either get a green or a brown. Gonna add our black flakes. Stir it up. This is how it looks with the flakes in it. Definitely looks like a kiwi. They definitely nailed this. Injector and shoot our molds. Kraken, stick baits, bandito, and rage crawls today. This is how it turned out. The mold definitely shoots good. I like the mold a lot. That's how it looks in natural lighting. Bandito always looks good. Stick bait. You can definitely see how it turns into green and brown. This is how all the baits turned out with this color. Dead On Plastics definitely nailed this one. I love it. Definitely top 5 favorites. What color should I do next? Channel's all about baby fishing. Go subscribe.